Okay, so I'm gonna do another a test correction. Okay, so starting with number 1. This is the problem. I had the right concept doing it the first time, but like I was going to set it up like this, but then I realized that what I was doing was wrong. So I didn't get the answer, obviously, but I wrote all the problems down here on test corrections, so that way the video would go by faster. So I already did everything here, so I could just explain it to you. Okay, so you're going to distribute, since it's cosecant, you're going to change to y over sine over x. You're going to distribute, and once you distribute and do that process, you're going to get down to here, this stage. So 1 over sine over x and sine over x squared, 1 plus 1 over sine over x cosine squared times, I don't know what I crossed out right here. Oh, when you multiply by sine over cosine, because it was tangent of x originally, and then sine over cosine of x, and then sine over cosine of x, and then they cross out, and then so you get the sine of x plus cosine of x over sine of x plus cosine of x, which is basically 1. So that's why the answer was, I crossed it out because I thought that was wrong, but turns out it was 1. Okay. Number 2. Okay, so this one, you basically just factor it. So you factor by sine squared of x, and when you factor, after you factor, do that, then you're going to get to this, and then after you factor this, then you're going to get to right here, then you're going to get to sine squared of x plus sine squared of x, cosine of x, sine squared of x. Then you're going to divide by sine squared of x, which is going to get you sine squared plus cosine squared of x, which is the same as 1 because of the Pythagorean theorem formula. Then right here, oh, this is just another way to do it, which you taught us in class. But yeah. Okay, number 3, this one, sine theta, this. So I had it right here, but I just didn't FOIL it, like I started something new. But then right here, so starting from the step that I missed, that I didn't do, so then you FOIL it, and then once you FOIL it, you get that long number over that, and then once you do it again, you get this sine squared plus cosine squared plus 2 sine over cosine. On the bottom, it's the same exact thing, sine squared plus cosine squared plus 2 sine theta cosine of x. Cosine of theta, same thing. And it's 1 again. Okay. And then, oh no, that was right. Okay. Number 4. This one was really simple. I don't know why I didn't get it right the first time. I don't know. It was really, I don't know. I was confused, but it was really simple. Okay, so tangent of theta. This is the problem. Tangent of theta, cotangent theta minus cosine. So you just, tangent same as sine over cosine. I mean, it's the same as cosine over sine. Minus cosine squared. And then tangent of theta is the same as sine over cosine. And then so when you multiply it, you're going to get 1 minus sine theta, cosine theta at the bottom. Those are going to cross out, of course. Then you're going to get 1 minus sine theta, which will be right here, 1 minus sine theta. So your problem would be B. And then finally, this is the hardest one, sine A plus B cosine B minus. Okay, that one. Basically, it looks very complicating, but it's not. It's just being able to use the right formula. So for sine A plus B, you just plug in that formula, which is this, sine A plus B cosine B plus sine of A. You plug in that formula, keep the B. Same thing right here. Plug in that formula, keep the sine of B. Then you continue on, and after you understand, after you finally go through that whole long process of like putting on all the formulas, which is basically all it is. It's just putting in the formulas, but it looks more complicating than it is, but it's not. Then you'll get 2 sine B cosine B over sine A cosine A. which was on my paper, which I thought that was similar, but I didn't know to put the 2 in front, but yeah, it was D. And yeah, basically, that's it. Thank you.